Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Tips by Anil, and in this video we are going to create search bar in React.js using MUI. Okay, so here if we will type F, okay, no search fairy tales, I can search this. Okay, and now if I'll go back, if I want search things fall apart, I can search this. So this is how I have created this search bar, and this search bar I will create in this video. Okay, so now just move on our project. So in this project I just created a blank project, and in this blank project I don't have anything, so it's running on 301. Now in this I will create a component search bar dot jsx. In this component, first what we need to do, we will go in MUI. We have option for with npm and with yarn installation. Okay, so we need to only install the MUI slash material. So this MUI slash material I have already installed in this project. So for that, what you have to do, just go in new terminal, and in new terminal just type this and press the enter. It will install in your machine. Okay, now here I will create a function. So export default function, and the function name is search bar. Okay, and here I will create a div, and here I will define class, and class name will be search. Now inside this I will create another div, and this div also having a class like search input. Okay, now inside this I will implement auto complete. So once you will include the autocomplete, automatically import autocomplete from MUI hyphen material. Okay, now in this few property I will copy and paste from autocomplete extender. So here you have to type the autocomplete. Once you will type the autocomplete, then here first I will copy the demo ID, and this ID will paste here, and second is the option. What is the option? Option means, this options means data. Okay, this means data. So here I will pass a props, and this will be data, and the second props I will pass placeholder. Okay, this placeholder I will pass in the input. Okay, now the third thing I will copy render input. Okay, so this render input having a parameter params, and one more input I will copy, that is that input will be get optional label. Okay, so get optional label will be somewhere get optional label. Here you can see get optional label. Okay, so what does that mean? That means if your data having the property, like your JSON data having a property, and that property what you are going to bind, which property you are going to bind. Okay, so here I am going to bind the title, and from where this title will come, this title will come from data.json. Okay, and in data.json I will copy and paste this JSON data. Here we having a property author, country, image link, and here title. Okay, so I want bind this by title. Okay, now this props I have to pass from index.js. So here I will import this my component. In my component I will pass the props. So data equals to, from where I will get this data. So this data I will get from the JSON. Data from data.json. Okay, this data I will pass in this props. Now the second property is placeholder. The placeholder search here. Okay, so in the search bar we have passed two props, data and placeholder, and this placeholder I will set placeholder equals to placeholder. Okay, and autofocus equals to true. Okay, now if you will see, yeah, so here you can see we are getting the data. Okay, now what I need to do, in the index.js I will remove this. Okay, now look into this. Okay, so here we are getting the data. Okay, now if I will search here anything, FAI, FA, okay, so it's working as expected. Now what we need to do, I will create it in center. Okay, so for that what I need to do, I will create a search. We have to create a search bar dot css. Okay, and this search bar dot css I will import, and search bar dot css. Okay, and in this search bar dot css, first I need to define, because when, if you will see in the inspect with element, and if this div width will be 50%, and if the margin will be auto, then you can see it will come in the center. Okay, so the thing we have to define here, dot search, and width will be 50%. Okay, and margin will be auto. Now okay, fine. Now the second property we have to define, that is search input. Search inputs. Okay, now here I will do margin top. Margin top will be 105 pixel. Okay, and display flags. So display flags, why I'm doing this display flags, now if you will see, this data will come in center. Okay, and now search and input. Okay, for the search input, first I will do the background color, and this background color will be white, and border I will do 0, and border radius that is 2 pixel, and border top right radius, border top right radius, that will be 0 pixel. Okay, and border bottom right radius. Bottom right radius, that will be 0 pixel. Okay, now font size. Font size, we can say 19 pixel. And padding is 15 pixel. And the next is height should be 30 pixel. And the width should be 300 pixel. Okay, now there are one more thing that we have to work. Okay, so the search here is looking but not as expected. Why? Because here should be dot. Okay, now this is looking but as expected, but we have to apply the background color. So that background color in the index.js or app.css, you can apply in index.css. In the body, you can apply background color as tomato. Okay, so here you can see your search bar. Now if you will type things fall. Okay, so now one more thing we have to implement, that is search button. Okay, for the search button, again we have to create a div. Okay, so I will move on search bar.js, and here after the I will just format this code. So here I will type a div. Okay, and this div I will use search icon. Okay, so search icon is still the icon. Okay, so I will go here and I will see the search icon, Material UI icon. Okay, so here with search. Okay, so I can use this search icon. Okay, so here I have to import this. Now this search icon I will use here. Okay, so here if you will see, now the icon is coming in the right. So for that we have to write the CSS for the icon. Okay, so let's go in the CSS, and here I have to apply a class search icon over here. Class name equals to search icon, and this search icon okay. Now here height, that will be 60 pixel, and width will be 50 pixel, and background color, that will be white. Now if you will see, okay, it's coming as not expected, but if I will say display equals to grid, then if I will refresh it, is still. Now one more thing, place item in center. Place item in center. Okay, So one more thing we have to do, search icon SVG. So that SVG font size will be 35 pixel. Okay, so I think this, it's looking good, I think. So here, if I'm going to search anything, then you can see this outline, but here we are not getting any outline over here. Okay, so that outline I have to remove. So for that, what I need to do, I will do input, okay, and focus, and this input focus outline will be none. Now check this, refresh it, and see, now there is no outline. Okay, now we are getting the data as expected. Okay, so this is how we have done with the React.js search bar. Okay, if you like this video, then please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.